Welcome to the mining news on Commodity TV. Today with Canada Nickel, GoldMining, Tier 1 Silver, Gold Terra and EnWave. Canada Nickel again announced very good assay results from the Reed property and confirmed the nickel discovery. Results reached the expected grades over the entire core length of 354 meters at 0.24% nickel, including 15 meters at 0.39% nickel and 6 meters at 0.57% nickel. They also confirmed the same mineralogy as the Crawford project, with Reed having an even larger geophysical footprint than Crawford. This is not yet included in Canada Nickel's corporate valuation, we think. Things will get exciting on hopefully 6th July with the planned update of the Crawford resources, which we expect to be a significant boost. Canada Nickel you should consider to own when you like nickel. GoldMining announced encouraging initial assay results from the first two holes of a 6-hole, 3,600 meter drill program at La Garusha. This is less than 1 kilometer to the east and immediately adjacent to existing mineral resources at the company's 100% owned La Mina Colombia project. This showed 208 meters of 0.48 grams gold and 0.1% copper, which equates to 0.62 grams gold equivalent from 261 meters depths. A second intercept returned over 345 meters with 0.57 grams gold per ton and 0.12% copper for 0.74 gold equivalent grams from 255 meters depths. This is a great start to the 2022 La Garusha drilling program at La Mina in Colombia. This also builds on the La Mina preliminary economic assessment announced earlier this year, which focused on the project's La Cantera and Middle Zone deposits located 1 kilometer west of La Garusha. La Garusha is open for expansion and may emerge as a third possible porphyry deposit for potential additional resources. These results from the first two holes confirm that the La Garusha porphyry mineralization extends southeast along strike as modeled from the geophysical dataset and interpreted by the technical team. Drilling continues. Gold mining is very interesting at those cheap price levels. Tier 1 Silver is now resuming exploration work at Curibaya in southern Peru and at Hurricane, located approximately 65 kilometers north of the city of Cusco. The company is preparing Curibaya for the second phase of drilling, which is expected to cover approximately 2,000 to 4,000 meters with preliminary surface work focused on the Cambaya target. Highlights from the initial drill program at the project include 1.5 meters at 1,129 grams silver and over 1 gram gold per ton in a larger intercept of 7 meters of 272 grams silver and 0.33 grams gold per ton. At Hurricane, geochemical and geophysical surveys are being conducted at the Magdalena target, where 5 mineralized vein corridors have been identified, with recent channel sampling results showing 6 meters of 239 grams silver, 1.2% copper, 0.34% lead, 0.15% zinc, and 1 meter with over 605 grams silver, 0.26% copper, 5.8% lead, 0.21% zinc. In addition, at the Hurricane copper, nickel, platinum, palladium, silver prospects, which include Nanuaco, San Cipriano and Morro Culispata, where social access was recently granted, the company plans to begin surface work to define potential drill targets in preparation for permitting. Very nice, and things are finally really again picking up at Tier 1 Silver. Gold Terra Resource reported very good assay results from hole GTC 037, testing the Campbell shear at a depth of 1,000 vertical meters. It intersected the Campbell shear as planned, with the main zone containing 1.6 grams gold per ton over 14.5 meters, including 2 gold zones of almost 2 grams gold per ton over 6.5 meters, from 1,263 to 1,270 meters, and 2 grams gold over 4.5 meters from 1,256 to 1,260 meters down the hole. Drill hole GTC 037 encountered alteration, veining and mineralization consistent with descriptions of typical Campbell shear gold zones from historical production. On the former producing ConMine property, the company has acquired a 100% call option from Newmont Canada and Miramar Northern Mining, both wholly owned subsidiaries of Newmont Corporation. As part of the 2022 program, this area is being further tested by placing wedges 50 meters apart in the hole. We look forward to updating the mineral resource in Q4 2022 which will then include the high-grade Yellowrex zone. The 2022 drill program along the Campbell shear structure is well underway, with a total of 15 holes for a total of almost 8,400 meters, and a government grant of $132,000 was received. Gold Terra is really undervalued. EnWave was able to sign an equipment purchase agreement with Dairy Concepts Ireland, DCI called, an emerging leader in innovative dairy snacks, for a third 10 kilowatt REF machine for commercial use at Moore Park Technologies facility in Ireland. DCI signed a royalty-bearing commercial license agreement with EnWave in September 2020, granting the company processing rights for a portfolio of natural, sweet and savory, shelf-stable handheld dairy snacks. To facilitate the initial REF processing, DCI entered into a relationship with MTL, a leading provider of commercial pilot plant and research services to customers in the food industry. DCI and MTL collaborated to combine leading technology with a food innovation strategy to bring new and exciting dairy-based products to market in Europe. MTL previously acquired a 10 kilowatt REF machine from EnWave in September 2019, which has been in commercial use by DCI since September 2020. In March 2021, EnWave sold a second 10 kilowatt REF machine unit to DCI to expand production capacity at MTL, and the addition of a third 10 kilowatt REF machine now will further increase production capacity. DCI will use all three existing REF machines at MTL to produce Cheese O's and its premium Moore Park specialty cheese. The EnWave share price is way too low and has suffered greatly under Corona, unfortunately. The company is doing everything right, so really you should have a look at this cheap company. Please note the disclaimer that is superimposed now. The stocks discussed are part of the SRC Mining Special Situation Certificate, and I'm a shareholder in all companies. Thanks for watching us, and bye-bye from Switzerland.